Hi, Jerry from Comfort here to talk about overhead garage doors. You know, outside of the front door on your house, the garage door has an incredible presence and is probably one of the most used doors in the house. They take up anywhere from 50 square feet to 100 square feet of anyone's house. So if you got an old garage door and you're thinking of replacing it, consider a Comfort highly insulated steel garage door. These doors come in a multitude of colors. You got 9 colors to choose from that are all pre-painted, even 3 wood grain colors if you want to coordinate to maybe your front entry door. You can get R values on these doors that range from an R6 to an R19. Choose them with windows, without windows. This one happens to have windows at the top, and there are basically dozens of Decor trim inserts that go over here that can give you any type of grid combination to complement what you have on your house. You can also get Decor glass, which is an insulated glass that is actually etched if you prefer to have something like that. These doors are all custom ordered by Comfort, and of course they're installed using absolutely no subcontractors whatsoever. When you decide to do the style of your door, you're going to consider long panel, short panel, single door, double door. And when we install these doors, it's a complete job start to finish. And not only that, but a Comfort overhead door has what they call pinch-proof panels. As the panel comes down, if someone accidentally had their finger there, it actually pushes your finger out, so they're completely safe. You can also do very traditional looking doors, or if you prefer, you can do what they call the carriage door look. Now, carriage doors give you the image that they're going to open this way, but the door actually opens up and down. You can complement the carriage door in different colors, accenting the panel versus the other panel. You can also put hardware on here, like handles and hinges that actually are not functional. And this is a lot of fun too, because if you don't want the hinge there, you can put it there. They come magnetic, or you can get them prefixed on the door. It's something you can have a lot of fun in with designing. Comfort overhead doors. Lots of colors to choose from, wood grains, high R values, glass inserts, pinch-proof rollers, torsion springs, new tracks, nylon rollers, and new openers. That's the way to go.